Hey guys, Miss Erin here. So today we are going to learn a little bit about constellations, and to help us learn about them, we are going to make a constellation viewer. So in your little packets, I sent home this is from Museum of Science in Boston. It's really cool. But they're actual constellations. And then you also got 2 pieces of black cardstock. You'll also need scissors, some tape, and glue if you got it. And then I am also going to use this. This is to poke holes. It's from a sewing kit that I have. I don't really know what you use it for sewing, but it has like a little like poker on the end. So I'm going to use this to poke holes. So if you have something like that, you use a toothpick, something pokey. Also, I'm using the cardstock to make like a tube, but if you have paper towel, like an empty paper towel tube, that would work too. So let's go ahead and you're gonna cut out the constellation you wanna make. Maybe you wanna make them all. You can go ahead. I'm gonna do the Big Dipper. I can always find that one. And you're gonna cut on the dotted line, not the solid one. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but there's like a bigger circle. That's the one you're gonna wanna cut. Okay, and I'm gonna take a piece of cardstock, and I'm actually gonna glue this right to the cardstock. So take some glue, stick it right on. The reason I'm doing this is because it works really well if you have like a nice dark tube. I'm gonna cut out now the cardstock and the paper, that bigger circle. So you should have like a little disc that looks like this. Okay, now we are going to cut like little lines into it right to that line here. Just go around. So there's like little tabs. See? Give yourself a good amount. This is to help us with the tube. Now again, if you have a like a cardboard little, a paper towel roll tube, go ahead and use that. If you don't worry about it. So fold these tabs down. Pretty easy, right? Okay, now I need to make like a little tube. So I'm gonna cut my cardstock about 4 inches. And I honestly don't even need all this. I can cut it in half. And then I'm gonna make a little tube. This is where we're gonna use the tape. So I'm gonna put a piece of tape on one side. You can use glue if you would prefer, but tape is just so much easier. And then I have the sticky side up. And fold it. Or we can do it inside, and then we'll put another one on the outside. I got my little tube. Do another piece of tape. Make sure it's very secure. And this is just to make it really black. All right, now I'm gonna take my little viewer, put it right on top. And again, if you're making your own little tube, you wanna make sure it's the right size, right? Made mine a little too small, but that's okay. You will do the right way. You wanna kind of pre-measure. You can tape down the little tabs. Now, if I look inside this, it's black. Can you see? No. So we need to add the little holes, the pokey little holes. so this is where you want to have a grown-up, but you're going to go ahead and poke the holes using whatever you decided to poke a hole with. This makes easy work. Oh yeah, I can see my constellation. See? So that's what the Big Dipper looks like in the sky. So go ahead and do as many or as little constellation viewers as you like, but this will help you recognize the stars at night. And then for the best stargazing, you want to go somewhere where there's no light pollution. So like the mountains of Georgia, up there, Blue Mountains, it's very dark at night and you can see so many stars. And if it's dark enough, you can actually see the Milky Way, which is really cool. So happy stargazing. I hope you can use these tools to help you.